Let's make this delicious baked pasta. I started with the meat sauce first. I browned 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef until all the liquid was evaporated. Then I added in 2 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion. I cooked the garlic and onion with the meat for a couple minutes. Then I seasoned it with garlic powder, Italian seasoning, basil, black pepper, parsley, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, salt, and mixed everything together. Then to that, I added 2 8-ounce jars of pasta sauce. You can use your favorite. I used 1 cup of water to rinse out the jar with, added that to it. I covered and simmered on low heat for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, I cooked my pasta for about 8 minutes. Then I started layering the pasta in a casserole dish. I added some of the sauce to the bottom of a casserole dish, added half of the pasta, some more sauce. In the middle, I added 1 jar of the Ragu double cheddar cheese sauce, the rest of the pasta, the rest of the sauce. I topped it with some fresh and some shredded mozzarella cheese, placed it in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes and broiled for a couple minutes, and that was it. Some delicious and creamy baked pasta.